Well, we've tightened down the timeout to 0, so now users have to put their passwords in all the time. But to make things a little bit easier on us, we have many users who may need access to the sudo commands, and what we can do, instead of putting each one in the sudo file, is create a group and then give those users their access to sudo and the commands from sudo based on their group membership. So we have up here Colin. And if Colin tries to run sudo right now, we'll do the etc init.d http status, and it comes back and asks for a password. Put in a password, and it says you're not in the sudoers file. So let's put Colin in the sudoers file, but not directly. To do that, first thing we'll need to do is go back over to where we are root, and we'll create the admin group. So group add admins. So we've created the group, and then we're going to user mod, because if we go back over to Colin and do an ID on Colin right here, we can see Colin's not a member of any group but his own. Excellent. So we'll do user mod AG, and the A just to make sure if there's any other groups that we're putting in here, it's not going to override anything. And we'll put admins Colin. And then we'll come back over here, ID Colin. Oh, he has to log out. Let's get him out of here. There you go. So let's SU back in. Work, ID. There we go. He's in the admins now. All right, excellent. So we can use that group to give any member of that group access to administrative levels of VI, or we could give them restricted levels of VI. I should say sudo, not VI. So let's go ahead and go in there. We'll go down to the very bottom of the file, and we can see right here we have the admins group. So I put this information, it was commented out like the wheels group that we see above. All you have to do is unmark the comment, change the name to admins, leaving the % there, and in this case we're giving them all access to everything. Once again, we can restrict that. If you can see down here where the users file is, they're basically saying if you're a member of users, and there is no users on this system, but if we create the users account or the users group, they can mount and unmount certain devices, and that's it. All right, so let's get out of here. We'll save that, and let's go test it. Flip back over to Colin. We'll up arrow, and we'll check status, put in Colin's password, and sure enough, it works. So that makes it very easy. That group membership, and we're creating groups all the time anyway, and users, and why not use that with VI to help us out and make it administration much easier for us.